This storm may intensify, so be certain to monitor local radio stations and available television stations for additional information and possible warnings from the National Weather Service. Now the official National Weather Service forecast for the Champlain Valley, which includes Burlington, Middlebury, St. Albans, and Plattsburgh. Rest of today, mostly cloudy, winds. Chance of rain 70%. Tonight,
There's that warning.
Cloudy with showers and thunderstorms likely until midnight.
Where are you
then
at?
mostly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Some thunderstorms.
This is brand new.
And thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 80s. Light and variable winds. Chance of rain 20%. Reduced gusty winds. Small hail and heavy rainfall this afternoon. Highs in the lower 80s. Light and variable winds. Chance of rain 70%. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Showers and...
Finally.
The National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for common east central Essex County in northern New York, southwestern Chittenden County in northwestern Vermont, northwestern Anderson County in central Vermont, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Westport, moving east at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Addison, Harrisburg, Lockton, New Haven, Westport, Weybridge, Panton, Harrisburg, Lockton Borough, Longfellow State Park, Kingsland Bay State Park, Lockton Ridge, Waltham, Partridge Harbor, Lewis Clearing Bay, Moore Point, Potash Bay, Pickett Island, Dean Island and Low Point. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud to ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. If on early Lake Champlain, get away from the water and move indoors or inside the vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm.